Is your code base slowly eating away at your runway? Bad code quality can rack up an extra $1 million in costs over just 2 years. Let's dive into the mistakes that can trap you in this money. One mistake I see too often is founders pushing for speed over quality when launching. Take Brex, for example. They rushed to market with a small team and ended up with a ton of technical debt that cost them nearly $200 in unexpected maintenance. Another trap is the struggle to hire good developers without the right technical know-how. When founders can't evaluate candidates properly, they end up with poor hires that wreck code quality. For instance, a startup I worked with lost $150K after hiring developers who didn't understand basic coding principles. At GotYourTech.ai, we help founders sidestep these blunders before they turn into financial disasters. It's crucial to recognize that without a solid foundation, your code can become a ticking time bomb. The average cost of fixing a bug after deployment can be up to $6,000, compared to just $100 during the initial design phase. Founders often underestimate this reality, leading to spiraling costs. The tech landscape is littered with companies like Quibi, which faced immense challenges due to rushed coding decisions, ultimately leading to its downfall. We guide you through these pitfalls, ensuring you build a resilient code base that stands the test of time. If you want your code to stay solid, focus on these essentials. First, don't skip on code reviews and technical audits. They're your safety net for catching issues before they spiral. Just ask Shopify, who swears by this practice. In fact, they attribute a 30% decrease in bugs to their rigorous review process. Next, hire developers who know their stuff and actually follow coding best practices. Figma's success shows you can't just wing it. A talented team is crucial for growth. They invested over $1 million in their engineering team, which directly contributed to their rise to a $10 by dollar valuation. Lastly, remember that knowing when to apply these principles often requires a knack that non-technical founders may lack. This is where a lot of folks we help at GotYourTech.ai start to see value. We guide you through these tricky spots. For example, we helped a client reduce their bug backlog by 50% within 3 months by implementing a structured code review system. Nail down these strategies, and your code will not only improve, but save you serious cash and keep your projects on track. Companies like Airbnb have demonstrated that investing in code quality can lead to smoother deployments and faster feature rollouts, ultimately driving user satisfaction and revenue growth. Don't leave your code quality to chance. Take control and set your startup up for success. Bad code can sink your startup faster than you think. I've seen it happen too many times. If you need to fix this before it's too late, go to GotYourTech.ai. You'll get the real talk on how to secure your investment and lay down a solid tech foundation. Don't wait, get it sorted now. Don't wait, get it sorted now.